I really hope you can hear the ice cream truck outside, or else I look crazy. I mean, I'm already crazy, but I'm just gonna look really crazy. But anyways, when we're all crazy, we want to calm down with something. Let's calm down with a cocktail. A cocktail I found from the Carthay Lounge in Disneyland called the Tequila Daisy. Anything with tequila makes my heart flutter. So let's give it a try. It's gonna be in a martini glass, and it has egg whites and a flower liqueur. Sounds interesting. I wanna try it, so let's get started. Alrighty, so in a shaker, we are going to do 1.5 ounce of reposado tequila. Oh my God, I really hope you guys can hear the ice cream man. He's like making my life right now. I so am loving hearing it. I don't know, it's giving me hope for a brighter future. Okay, so that's my tequila. Oh, I love the smell of tequila. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce triple sec. I have Grand Marnier, because I'm a little fancy, you know. Okay. So, the only bottle that always makes that noise. Okay. Oh! Good job. Good job. Okay. Oh my God, I can't take myself anywhere. And I'm sober. All right, I'm gonna just put an extra splash for what I just spilled. Just wipe you up a bit. Let's pretend that never happened. Okay. All right. Let's a little bit more. Okay. So let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Show must keep going on. So now it asks for a 1/2 ounce of agave nectar. I have still my homemade simple syrup, so we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And the same goes for my freshly squeezed lime juice, just a full ounce of lime juice. Alrighty, and then here comes the fun part. The egg. Haha. Alright, so let's try to be careful. I'm really talking to myself right now. Okay. Okay. Trying to so you guys can see. Okay. Oh crap. Okay. Okay. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, no yellow in there. We're good. That's enough. Let's not test the gods. All right, so I have everything in here. I did not put ice. Look, there is no ice in there. And you have egg whites in here. You want to dry shake it so it kind of not cooks the egg, but you know what I mean, kind of cooks the egg. So you want to dry shake it for a little bit. For me, I stop dry shaking it when this thing feels like it's about to pop and explode in my hand. You can kind of hear it getting frothy in there. That's what the egg white is for, to make it all nice and frothy. Oh, did you see that? See, it just exploded on me. It's done. Release some air. We're done. Okay. Ooh, look how frothy it is. So now we add the ice to make it cold. Oh, shoot. It's nice and slowly. All right. Now we shake until it's cold. Oh God, don't explode. Ah, don't explode. Okay, now we open it. Open. Okay. Oh crap. All right, it's a little too much because we're missing one ingredient. Oh, well, you see the froth, right? Oh, should I? Let's just do this. 'Cause I don't want to get lipstick all over it. Let's just do that. Okay. Or, you know. It's already good like that. Good little margarita. So now we have, that is the flower liqueur. Look at the flower right there. All right, it's just supposed to be just a tiny bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit in my jigger because you guys know I have a heavy hand. I have half of an ounce. And I'm just gonna it's not like the picture. Okay, in the video I saw of the bartender making it, it just immediately turned this pretty purple. He did use a different brand of the floral liqueur. Maybe that's the reason why it floated to the bottom instead of just mixing together, making this really purple color. I mean, it's in there. It's purple on the bottom. It's not that purple. It's just, it's really flowery. So I don't want to add any more because you're just pretty much going to drink perfume. So let's just leave it like that. We have a floater on the bottom, like that. I think it looks pretty like that. Let's just leave it like that. All right, we decided we're going to leave it like that. Ooh. It's a little different shades, but let's see how it tastes with the floral now. Okay. I like that I didn't add any more because you get the taste of the floral, but not too much. It's there, but it's not too much, not overpowering. Okay, I like it. It's interesting. It's a really light margarita with an extra added of flower in it. That's pretty much what it is, but it's very girly. It's very light tasting, very light. I don't know. I think it's perfect for a day at Disney when you're tired. You just want a cocktail just to relax. You want something different. I think this is perfect. So I'm happy. It may not be perfect, but you know what? Who's perfect? No one. So we're just going to have our perfectly imperfect cocktail right here. I hope you guys make it, and I hope you guys enjoy as much as I did. Cheers.